Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable the noise cancellation only for your One AirPod on the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Okay, so at the first we have to open the charging case and we have to be connected with our iOS device. In this case I'm using iPhone. Next we have to go for the settings, go for the Bluetooth, tap on the information icon. And right now, when I'm gonna put only the right one to my ear and try to enable the noise cancellation, we can find the information that we have to put both AirPods to our ears. But we can get rid of that and activate only on the one by going to the accessibility and then enable this option, noise cancellation with One AirPod. Click on it and take a look. As you can see, right now it is working. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And if you are looking for other tutorial with the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, just take a look on our YouTube channel. See ya!